guys, welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial is obviously what the title says, one bomb fall makeup tutorial. And I'm not just saying this because I did it. Okay, I'm saying it because I did it. If you're new to my channel, also don't forget to subscribe. Is that it? Is that it? We good? We got it for the intro? We're good? Before I mess anything up. We're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And excuse my voice. My allergies have been acting a straight fool, okay? Because of this fan that I have going on, and I may need to like wipe the dust off of it, but it's really been jacking up my vocal cords. I'm pretty late to this Jaclyn Hill party, but I do have her first palette with Morphe brushes. Really excited to play in her volume 2. Out of all of these colors, your girl gravitated to this color right here, even this color, and then of course we're gonna be dabbing into this gold. With the gold, I really had to finesse it a little bit. So we're gonna be starting out with my MAC Layin Low paint pot. For a transition shade, we're not really using a transition shade. Not today, boo-boo. We're going to use the shade Next. And that's this color right here. Next is going to be going into the crease. We're using that as the substitute for the transition shade. This is going to be one cranberry eye look, okay? And I'm using my Morphe brushes, M503 brush. Not really carrying it too far up past the crease. And I'm trying my best to just focus it around the eyeball area as much as possible. We're gonna go directly into this darker cranberry shade right here called Crazy. I'm actually using the same blending brush to pack Crazy right on top of Next. And Crazy is a gorgeous color. I mean, she's screaming fall. Going to be taking my Morphe brushes M433 brush, and you see how this is blended over here on this side, and this really has a little harsh line. I'm gonna carefully and lightly blend out that harsh line. Taking my Louise in Rumour, I think this is Rumour 5. Yeah, Rumour 5. And I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little soft cut crease. Nothing too major. On my Morphe brushes why can't I speak? On the, I think it's because I'm tired, it's like midnight. I'm gonna be taking this flat brush by Morphe brushes, and it's the M224 brush. So next we're gonna be going into Talia. This gold color right here. You see how I dug all up in it? I'm gonna be doing the same thing again for my right eye, and this is what we're gonna be applying right there on that cut crease. And then I'm gonna take my setting spray. This is the Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna be spraying it, make it a little bit more visible, because when I applied this initially on the left eye, it didn't turn out like this. But I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting for this glitter to be pop, locking, and dropping. And then going back in with my Morphe brushes M503 brush, that blending brush, I'm gonna dip this back into Crazy, and I'm gonna apply it to the outer corner and just blend out that glitter so it's not harsh and just cut harshly like that. Going in with my smaller blending brush by Morphe brushes, the M506 brush, I'm gonna take Crazy and then just go into the crease right here. As you can see on this eye, I don't even know if you can really even tell because I have these huge eyelashes, but I have a little baby wing popping over there on the left side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the right. Let's see how this goes on camera. I did it! We're gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to prep for these lashes. Tight line, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Cosmetics eyeliner. For the lower lash line, we're gonna go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line just like we did over here on the left. And to focus that same color right on the lash line, between the lash line and waterline, we're gonna be going in with my Morphe brushes. M432 brush, it's this flat head. Dip that into Crazy, and I'm gonna press that into the lash line. And then going in with my Lucy Gerard Cosmetics, you know, I'm gonna be applying this to my inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara on the lower lashes.
Don't drop that dun da da, hey, don't drop that dun da da, don't drop that dun da da. Why is that song stuck in my head? Oh my god.
Ooh, we love her. Minus the hoops though. A lip combination. I'm gonna be going in with my KKW Beauty Nude lip liner and the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in Unbutton. Seems like the brown is kind of clashing with the cranberry in the eye, but we had to start over because that nude was not the business. So instead we're gonna be going in with Colourpop and Ellarie collaboration in Ellarie, the lip liner, and then we're gonna be going in with Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte in Ruby Slipper. We're gonna take Lucy by Gerard Cosmetics. Yes, ooh!